everyone, मैं हूँ निकिता, welcoming you to the Prestige Fashion Show 2013, a scintillating event which is gonna put the spotlight on lingerie. Yeah, you heard me right, lingerie, a sexy, seductive, intimate wear which makes a woman feel beautiful and sensuous. और जो women और lingerie का love affair है, that is legendary. और जब बात हो रही है intimate wear की, so the international fashion label Prestige is the only one that can make a woman feel super comfortable and trendy at the same time. So chaliye, let's have a look at what's in line for today's evening. Prestige is going to show us what dazzling innerwear is all about. But the show is only going to begin when the stage is all set for it. तभी तो decor से लेकर ramp walk तक और mood light से लेकर audience की perfectly placed seating arrangement तक, the organizers have left no stone unturned to make this show a spectacular one. So guys, here's a sneak peek at what's happening behind the scenes. Glam dolls, creme de la creme celebrities and every little Miss Fabulous in the city is here right now. That's because everyone is simply dying to see Prestige's latest uber sizzling intimate wear collection. So guys, let's head straight to the red carpet and have a little tete-a-tete with these celebrities. What are you expecting from this event?
More of camisoles, bra panty sets and more of beach wear, which not yet many companies have launched in India till now.
I think this show gonna be incredible because I have seen the collection Prestige have. It's amazing collection they have.
Do you think it also connects to you emotionally, like makes you feel confident or gives you a better attitude?
I would say definitely yes, because you need to carry yourself well. And by wearing this brand, you feel internally you feel you are very confident.
I came here to select something special for someone. So let's see which one I'm gonna pick up.
आप इतने बड़े retailer हैं दिल्ली के कि आपके बिना brands आगे नहीं बढ़ते, तो आपका क्या हाथ है Prestige को बड़ा brand बनाने में?
Prestige को मैंने last show में जब देखा था और इस show में देख रहा हूँ, दोनों में एक बहुत बड़ा फ़र्क आया है कि इस बार की जो रेंज है वो बिल्कुल ऐसी है जैसे कि हम दिल्ली या नॉर्थ के पूरे रीजन के लिए जितनी गर्ल्स आती हैं उनके लिए बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है.
Come to music, dim the lights, get your oomph on girls and give us some spice. Oh yeah, जिस वक्त का हम सबको बेसब्री से इंतजार था वो वक्त finally आ गया है. Because it's time for the Prestige show to begin. So guys, come on, follow me. warning for all the heart patient viewers out there. अगर आपकी दिल की धड़कनें super तेज हो गई हैं, so guys, please hold on because the show is going to get even more steamier, glitzier and delicious. लेकिन एक छोटे से break के बाद, so why not you guys use this break to calm your booming hearts down a little bit? Welcome back to the Innovative Fashion Extravaganza of the Year, the Prestige Show 2013. Prestige totally knows how to make a women feel sexy, chic and special. Well, जो आप लोगों ने break से पहले देखा, that was just the tip of the iceberg. क्योंकि जो collections अब आपके सामने आने वाले हैं, they are going to leave you thunderstruck. Well, this is what happens when fashion gets a little naughty. know what you're thinking, that lingerie can't get better than this, right? Well, it is gonna get better, hotter and sexier because Prestige believes bold is always beautiful. लेकिन ये सब होगा एक छोटे से break के बाद. So I'm gonna see you on the other side. Welcome to the every lingerie turn fantasy for women and for a lot of men, the Prestige Show 2013. There's innerwear for every occasion and it's also a requisite in a woman's life. It makes her feel comfortable and at times she just wants to feel sexy, desirable and seductive. It not only reflects her body but also her attitude and her confidence. And this is where Prestige steps in. It does all of that and a lot more. could we please have Mr. Vikas on stage once more? So here with me is the choreographer for tonight. Firstly, tell me, how is it training the models, especially for a lingerie show like this?
Lingerie subject is like very tough. First of all, you have to tell the model how to stylize your body on a ramp. Second, you have to stylize lingerie. That's most important part. How she can walk and what kind of the expressions according to the music. There's so many things, you know.
So do you think that was a fantabulous show tonight?
It was a very fantastic show and it was a very unique show. The collection showcase here was very unique and very apt for Indian market.
Did you like the models better or did you like the collection better?
Collection is obviously better. Models are there to display the products, and they are the media to detail the products.
It was very nice, very sexy.
The brand Panty and Nightwear collection was very good.
Collection was amazing. We liked the sets and pieces of nightwear. I was hoping I would catch. I did.
I like the camisole portion very much because you added colors and design, and I think not yet many companies have added this much range. And I like the panty section most.
I liked the bras actually. Being a girl, yeah, definitely. And of course, I did like the nightwear.
Yeah, I think definitely we have added a lot more styles, so definitely Indian market was going to appreciate this collection.
Guys, हम जानते हैं कि Prestige के इस uber trendy, super elegant और ultra divine lingerie show को देखकर भी आप लोगों का मन नहीं भरा. लेकिन क्या करें? We've run out of time. But I promise we'll be back with all the razzle dazzle of Prestige Show 2014. Till then, this is Nikita signing off. आप लोग देखते रहिए Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.